Hola amigos, bienvenidos. We're here at Epcot, part of the Walt Disney World Resort and Theme Parks. In today's video, we're going to be searching for Cantinflas. Now you've heard of hidden Mickeys. We're going to be in search for hidden Cantinflas. Cantinflas is widely regarded as Mexico's greatest comic. Charlie Chaplin once said, Cantinflas was the greatest comedian alive. Pretty high praise coming from the tramp himself. So, Cantinflas' career spanned from 1930s all the way to the 1980s. He had his own animated cartoon. He's more notably known here in the US for his role as Passepartout in Mike Todd's 1957 Around the World in 80 Days. Coincidentally, that film won the Best Picture by the Academy Awards. That same year, 1957, Cantinflas beat out such heavyweights as Marlon Brando and Yul Brynner as he took home the Golden Globe honors for Best Performance in a musical or comedy. Word has it that Disney Imagineers have planted hidden Cantinflas somewhere in this theme park. Now, where should we start? Italy? Germany? Mexico. Let's head over to the Gran Fiesta Tour featuring the Three Caballeros boat ride, and I'll bet we'll find it there. Now, I've ridden that ride plenty of times, and I've never seen any Cantinflas, but I bet together we can unlock the magic. Follow me.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos atrás.
¡Gracias! ¡Donald! Where are you? Excuse me, have you seen a duck? Oh, stop! Goodbye!
What's this, amigos?
showtime. Amigos, no matter where he goes, the ones do and three goes. We're always together. We have the stars to guide us. If there's we desire to play as we go. We sing and we summer, we shout. What means ay caramba?
Hey everybody, that was a lot of fun. Did you catch it? So it's towards the end of the boat ride. When the Three Caballeros are playing, if you turn over to the right, it is where the hotels and the buildings are. There it is, the Cantinflas. Hopefully you caught it. I know if you blink, you could miss it. From the top of my heart, thanks for watching.